फोकस करी थी कि बस मैं थोड़ा सेटल हो जाऊँ, थोड़ा पढ़ लूँ. Whatever you do in UK, it will definitely teach you the UK work culture, like how people behave and how you should behave towards other people and your work colleague and how they talk, what's their culture, and that's definitely help you. Graduate roles को आप target कर सकते हो. तो graduate roles usually एक साल बाद के लिए होते हैं. I can say that I have faced racism or kind of like a different feeling in India as well and there as well.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to episode 4 of Pajama Podcast powered by Infinity Education. Thanks to Nikita. Nikita is here finally, and Infinity Education played a vital role in her study abroad career. So, Nikita, welcome to India. How are you feeling after coming back so long?
It's not been so long. So I was here 6 months back, visiting my family, and yeah, it's always a happy feeling when you're coming home. So yeah, I'm feeling good, and thanks for inviting me here.
Thank you so much. Thanks for coming and taking out time in your vacation. So, without any delay, we always try to keep it short and crisp.
Yeah.
I will just start with the first question. So the main topic of today is like Nikita moving abroad, moving to UK, pursuing her career in business analysis, and now you are a full-fledged business analyst in Barclays, right?
Yeah.
So congratulations on your job. So can you please explain and elaborate in short that what made you choose England instead of any other country, and why business analysis?
I'm not for an IT background anyway. So I did my bachelor's from Bangalore, and I was just shoving here and there what to do. I don't know, like I didn't had any clarity basically, and I was preparing for CAT.
Okay.
So then eventually COVID hit, and I had a plan to move abroad anyway. So I was looking for which country would be good. I was considering UK, Ireland, Australia, but I chose UK on top of other two countries because of its economy and the opportunities that it will provide. And I think that's how I ended up in UK. But yeah, I did my research on my own, and eventually I landed up choosing business analysis because I thought like AI would be the next thing, and yeah, it is. So yeah,
100%.
yes,
I
yeah,
agree.
that's how I ended up doing that.
So a huge shout out to Infinity Education for helping students like Nikita throughout their study abroad journey. And I will start with the second question. So I was thinking do you suggest like switching career from specifically business and administration to an IT field? Does that a right option when someone is planning to move abroad? What do you feel?
So I chose it because I felt that doing an MBA would not give me that many opportunities that something technical would give.
Okay.
Because I always wanted to get a secure profession where I can like climb up the ladder in corporate and like eventually do something that make me earn like a lot of money, or I would say a good life.
So you are trying to hint that if you would stick to the business administration or business management, and you would have been doing the same course even from London, your masters, instead of doing business analysis, which is a blend of IT and business, right? So like if you were sticking to the business administration, that was maybe that would have been making you a less money compared to right now.
Um, I think because if you do like the course that I did in my bachelor's was BCom that with honors, and the next thing that I can do was MBA, and I thought like everybody is doing MBA, and like looking for a right job while doing an MBA is like it's like you have very less options, and they have like a lot of options to choose from. So I was like, okay, that doesn't make sense, especially when you know there's this COVID that's totally unfortunate. You don't know what's gonna happen. And yeah, I thought like I made a right choice for myself. And I always had a keen interest towards like learning a new thing. and IT and like coding or related things was completely new thing for me, and I was eager to learn, and that's why I chose it, and eventually it did help me, and yeah, now I have a job and I can manage myself, so yeah, I'm happy about it.
All right. So, what matters at the end is bringing food on the table.
Exactly.
Because that's what, is the priority for every individual. So, Nikita, the next question is like, what did you feel like? Any extra certifications you did while staying in India, or your past work experience helped you when you moved abroad, even for like with study visa, and you were working definitely part time, but not in
Yeah.
Toronto, right? But after finishing, you started working full fledgedly. So, did all those certifications and working experience helped you in UK as well?
Yeah, definitely. Like whatever you learn in your life would definitely help one day. And while I was doing my graduation, I did some here and there like internships and
Okay.
um
Paid or unpaid?
obviously unpaid. It's India, man. Like you don't get paid easily here.
Harsh reality. But
Yeah.
yeah.
And while working part time in abroad, it's really hard to get your field job.
Yes.
Obviously, like
Right.
you can't get. But whatever you do in UK, it will definitely teach you the UK work culture, like how people behave and how you should behave towards other people and your work colleague and how they talk, what's their culture, and that's definitely help you build your personality, and eventually when you are like doing interviews for your real job,
Exactly.
yeah, you will get to interact with those people in a way that makes them realize that okay, this person is quite like they know the culture here.
So basically, you're talking about learning about the ecosystem
Yeah,
before moving in, right? Yeah. So that was actually a very, accurate answer, and I am satisfied with that. I don't know about the audience. If you guys feel that she was able to answer the question rightly, then give a thumbs up and drop your comments. What do you want?
Give me thumbs up. I don't like.
So, Nikita, what it is like living in London and working full time?
Oh man, this is my dream.
Okay.
So I always thought like I will do something differently, and yeah, like I wanted to go abroad, as I said earlier. So yeah, London was like a dream destination for me. So currently my office is not situated in London, but it's like an hour drive. So I can go to London on weekends or maybe any day whenever I'm free.
Commuting is easy or not?
Yeah, it's really easy. It's not like you're traveling in like local train or local bus.
Unlike in Ireland, commuting is not easy. So those who are watching this video and planning to move to Ireland, this is a parental advisory. Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, if you can manage yourself and your emotion because you are away from home, you miss your family, you miss your friends, and I initially I did, but eventually you'll make friends in university which will fill those gaps, and yeah, and then and start enjoying yourself, start enjoying the new culture there. The food culture is really different.
So the next question is very controversial. It can be controversial for
I
many
like
viewers.
controversies.
Yeah,
But-
for many viewers. So I just want to know, like, look, we always keep it raw and real. We never try to the paint or brush the things from the front, and we try to keep it honest reviews and honest feedbacks. So you are coming from UK, you studied there, you're working full time. Tell me, is there any racism you faced till now?
To be honest, there are people like bad people and good people everywhere. Like I can say that I have faced racism or kind of like a different feeling in India as well and there as well. Because like you will find people everywhere like who are like not giving you that vibe towards you. And I would say in my work, like my real work or my university, I never faced it, like no racism. But in my part-time job when I was working in warehouse, I did face a little bit of racism, but like it's just 2 days you went there and afterwards like I'm not going to that work. I can find a different one.
So we are moving forward to the last segment of this podcast, and we will try to keep it technical. The reason of being technical is that there are a lot of audience hitting me up over Instagram and asking me technical questions like study format, credits, and what is the work role of business analyst in Ireland and Europe and UK. UK, Ireland have a lot of similarities. So, like, I just want to know, like, for students and young professionals, those who are trying to become business analysts, would you like to explain a day in your life when you're working in your job, your workplace? Like what are the job roles, like in short, so that all the general specific people can understand?
See, business analyst, data analyst, strategy analyst, these are quite similar roles. When you choose your degree, you would see the modules that you're gonna be taught, and you can see the credits as well onto the website. I think every university has these,
That's right.
and yeah, eventually you can select what kind of materials that you want to learn, and according to that you can choose your course. And you can obviously ask ChatGPT what skills are in demand, because that's how you can end up getting a job.
Is a lot of coding involved, or it's about administration as well?
It's about administration as well. There is not much coding, so uh, the the coding part's only related to data. So if you are working on set of data, then only you need to know coding. Otherwise, you can do stakeholders management, strategy analysis, or like requirements gathering that I said. So these are not technical roles that you can end up doing. But if you're like totally concentrating on like data analyst, like gathering data set, manipulating data, like cleaning it, and then like making some insights out of those data sets, then you need to know a little bit of SQL, I would say, or Python. And yeah, and if you are focusing on visualization solely, then you need to know Power BI. So these are the basic tools that are demand in current market, but I can't predict the future. But yeah, maybe there is like more tools coming up in future, and then you need to keep on upgrade yourself. That's how that's how industry works. So yeah.
The last two questions looks like, the first one is, I would want to know, like, you talked about AI, and AI is the future.
Yeah.
So, like, how can an individual, while studying, focus on making professional networks so that he should not face the crisis which is going on in the IT industry right now?
See, I would say networking. Networking is the key to get into any profession, because their reference to work and references are like is a key to your career. So referencing is a must, and then do your networking when you are in uni. Attend those career fairs. Try to meet people from those companies who can refer you or maybe guide you for the roles that you are interested in, and that's how you will actually end up with a role that you like.
All right. So networking helps a lot.
Yeah, networking does help
And the
a lot.
past experiences as well.
Past experiences, yes, because if you don't know what you have done and what you need to do,
Yeah.
then there is no point. Like, what you gonna say when you are like answering interview questions? So, like, you need to know something.
The last and the final question, Nikita, I'm asking is, I always ask about the tips which all the guests from Pajama Podcast would like to say to our audience. But today, I'm asking about the mantra which you would like to give to our audience.
Mantra.
Mantra can be anything. Even, like Warren Buffett says, which I strictly follows, that your network is your net worth.
Yeah.
All right. So that's what you talked about.
Yeah.
So this can be like a mantra which you want to convey to our audience, which can help them grabbing offer letter from top universities across Europe and UK and lead their professional life and settle abroad. So last and final question जो कि मैं तुमसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, and that is like, मैं हमेशा अपने जितने भी गेस्ट हैं उन लोग से ये सवाल करता हूँ कि एक टिप्स या फिर कुछ भी 2-3 टिप्स हमें हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए बता दो, जिससे उन लोग को ईजी हो जाए व्हेन दे आर प्लानिंग फॉर स्टडिंग अब्रॉड, एंड वहाँ जाने के बाद उनको जो ऑब्स्टिकल्स फेस करने पड़ते हैं ना, वो चीज़ें ना हो. इट कैन बी अ मंत्रा, इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. जैसे कि मैंने बोला, मैंने एक एग्जांपल दिया दैट आई फॉलो वॉरेन बुफे सेज दैट योर नेटवर्क इज योर नेट वर्थ, राइट?
Yeah.
सो यू टॉक्ड अबाउट नेटवर्क, सो इट कैन बी समथिंग लाइक दैट.
सी ऐसे तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें दैट यू नीड टू कीप इन माइंड, बट मैं इतना ही बोलना चाहूँगी कि जब आप कोर्स चूज कर रहे हो तो हमेशा उस कोर्स में क्या मटेरियल्स है, क्या मॉड्यूल्स है, वो देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और ये जानना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप उस चीज़ में इंटरेस्टेड हो कि नहीं. जस्ट बिकॉज वो डिमांड में है और आप पढ़ना चाहते हो, नहीं, डजंट वर्क. आपको आपको अंदर से आना चाहिए कि हाँ इसमें मेरे को इंटरेस्ट है और मैं ये पढ़ना चाहता हूँ, तो देन ओनली यू विल एंड अप गुड।
Getting a good
हाँ,
future.
एग्जैक्टली। और दूसरी चीज मैं ये बोलूंगी, जो मिस्टेक मैंने किए थे वो मैं नहीं चाहूंगी कि कोई और करे।
जैसे
तो जैसे कि ये कि मैं जब वहाँ गई तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड थी, तो मैंने उतना ध्यान नहीं दिया स्टार्टिंग के महीनों में। मैं बस फोकस करी थी कि बस मैं थोड़ा सेटल हो जाऊँ, थोड़ा पढ़ लूँ, और बस इमोशनली अपने आप को थोड़ा मैनेज करने की कोशिश कर रही थी कि व्हेनेवर यू आर अब्रॉड यू यू मिस योर फैमिली, यू मिस योर फ्रेंड्स। तो मुझे ये पता भी नहीं था कि कैसे करना होता है, तो क्योंकि मैं जब यहाँ से गई थी मेरे पास कोई गाइड करने के लिए था नहीं कि वहाँ जाके क्या करना होता है। यहाँ से जाने के लिए तो था, लेकिन वहाँ जाके क्या करना है किसी ने नहीं बताया।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो फिर मैंने ये फिगर आउट किया इवेंचुअली कि अगर आपको जॉब लेना है, स्पेशली जब आप फ्रेशर हो, जब आपके पास ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है इंडिया में या फिर जहाँ से भी आप आ रहे हो, तो आपको ग्रेजुएट रोल में अप्लाई करना होता है।
Okay. Graduate role.
Yeah, graduate roles are the target for graduating people. And अगर आपको ग्रेजुएट रोल चाहिए तो आपको अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी के मिड से ही स्टार्ट कर देना चाहिए,
पहले अप्लाई कर.
बहुत पहले से।
Don't wait for the graduate visa.
एग्जैक्टली। तो अगर आप पहले से अप्लाई करोगे, क्योंकि ग्रेजुएट रोल ना हमेशा 1 साल पहले आता है, तो 1 साल या फिर 10 months डिपेंड्स ऑन द कंपनी, बट वो बहुत पहले आता है और आप अप्लाई करके छोड़ देते हो। इवेंचुअली जब आप ग्रेजुएट हो रहे हो तब तक में वो रोल फ्लोर पे रहेगा उनके लिए, तो उस टाइम पे वो सिलेक्शन करेंगे जितने लोगों ने अप्लाई किया है। बट अगर आप ग्रेजुएट वीजा आने तक का वेट करोगे ना, तो आप
Late हो जाएगा.
बहुत लेट हो जाओगे, और फिर आप जब ग्रेजुएट रोल में वहां पे अप्लाई करोगे वो 7 महीने 8 महीने बाद चालू होएगा, तो तब तक फिर आपके पास सिर्फ 4 या 1.5 साल का वीजा बचा रहेगा, तो आपने 6 महीने गवा दिए।
बिल्कुल.
तो दैट्स अ लॉस फॉर यू गाइस, राइट? तो
Time is money.
या एग्जैक्टली। तो मंत्रास तो मैं इतना ही बोलना चाहूंगी कि जो गलतियां मैंने की है वो कोई और रिपीट ना करे। तो व्हेन आप जब वहाँ जाते हो तो आपको जॉब अप्लाई करना स्टार्ट कर देना चाहिए, जिस फील्ड में आपको जॉब चाहिए। स्पेशली ग्रेजुएट रोल्स को आप टारगेट कर सकते हो। तो ग्रेजुएट रोल्स यूजुअली 1 साल बाद के लिए होते हैं। तो अगर आप अपने यूनिवर्सिटी के मिड में अगर जॉब स्टार्ट कर दोगे अप्लाई करना, तो व्हेनेवर यू आर ग्रेजुएटिंग कंपनीज तब उस टाइम पे हायर कर दी होगी, तो वो जो गैप होता है 6 months 7 months का, वो आप कवर कर लोगे बाय अप्लाइंग अर्ली। ये एक मंत्र है दैट आई वुड गिव, क्योंकि ये गलती मैंने की थी, लेकिन मैं नहीं चाहती कि कोई और करे। तो
Definitely. Yeah. That's it, right?
that's it, yeah.
Okay, so don't do the same mistakes what Nikki did. So this is how we are ending our episode 4. Thank you so much, Nikita, for coming all the way from UK. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and follow us
Follow him.
us on the social media accounts of Infinity Education, and let us know that what you guys want to see in the next episode. Till then, stay tuned. सवाल पूछो.
लवड़ी,
सवाल नहीं.
सामने
So
देख के
that's
क्वेश्चन
it for
क्यों
today.
पूछता है? मेरे को देख के पूछना होगा
That's
ना
it for-
तेरे को।
मैंने बोल दिया है पहले.
नहीं.
बोला है मैंने बोला हुआ है. Make sure to subscribe and follow us
Follow
on
him.
us on the social media accounts of Infinity Education, and let us know that what you guys want to see in the next episode. Till then, stay tuned.
Bye.
That's
आधा घंटा
पसीना
निपटा
छूट
दे,
गया
exact
है
आधा
मेरा।
घंटा